Let's distinguish between domesticated animal and wild animal. Oh, is a lion a domesticated animal?
Try again.
A wild animal? Yes, that's right. Next, was it a chicken? Is a chicken a wild animal? Is a chicken a domesticated animal? Yes, that's right. Next, was it? Oh, a dog. Is a dog a wild animal? No. Is it domesticated animal? Oh yes, that's right. Is a giraffe a domesticated animal? No. Is a giraffe a wild animal? Oh yes, that's right. Is a pig a domesticated animal? Oh no. Is it a wild animal? Yes, that's right. I wish hooray! I managed to finish it. Subscribe.